Custom t-shirts are everywhere right now, but most people think you need a huge print shop to make them. You don't. There's a machine that fits in a spare room, needs 0 spot colors, and can turn any design into a finished shirt. Let's break it down. Custom garment printing is one of the fastest growing small businesses on the planet because everyone wants personalized clothing, from small brands to individual buyers. And the entry-level machine for this is surprisingly cheap enough to set up right at home. No warehouse, no big team, just one setup and a workspace.
Here's what makes this different from old school printing. You don't need spot colors at all. No separating designs into individual color channels. You just take a PNG image, feed it in, and the machine prints it directly, full color, exactly as designed. That alone removes one of the biggest skill barriers in garment printing. If you can design an image, you can print it. This machine also handles DTF film cutting. That's direct to film, the transfer method used to press designs onto fabric. It cuts these films efficiently and accurately, which means less wasted material and less time spent trimming by hand. For a home-based setup, that's huge. Every bit of material saved goes straight back into your pocket instead of the trash bin.
Now, printers like this usually fail for one reason: blocked print heads. This one solves that with an automatic cleaning system running on a timed schedule to keep the printhead clear. That means stable print quality, fewer clogs, and a machine that simply lasts longer. It also comes with a rotatable touchscreen, so you can control everything comfortably, no matter how your workspace is set up. Here's a small feature that saves a lot of headaches: the dual alarm system. First, an ink low-level alarm. It warns you before you run out mid-print, so you're never stuck with a half-finished shirt. Second, a waste ink overflow alarm. The machine beeps the moment the waste ink bottle is full, before it overflows onto your floor or your workspace. Small details like this are what separate a hobby setup from an actual reliable business tool. Put it all together: no spot color skill needed, automatic cleaning, smart film cutting, and built-in safety alarms, and you get a machine that basically runs itself. That's what turns a small spare room into a real profit center. Low machine cost, minimal space, and a product, custom apparel, that people everywhere are willing to pay for. If you've been looking for a low-cost business you can start from home, custom t-shirt printing is one of the most accessible options right now. Drop a comment if you'd try this. And if you want more affordable business ideas broken down like this every week, hit subscribe. I've got more coming.